Hello friends, we are learning the next thing, that is applet programming. The applets are small Java programs that are primarily used in internet computing. They can be transported over the internet from one computer to another and run using the applet viewer or any web browser that supports Java. An applet, like any application program, can do many things for us. It can perform arithmetic operations, display graphics, play sounds, accept user input, create animation, and play interactive games. Java has revolutionized the way the internet users retrieve and use documents on the World Wide Network. Java has enabled them to create and use fully interactive multimedia web documents. A web page can now contain not only a simple text or a static image but also a Java applet which, when run, can produce graphics, sounds, and moving images. Java applets therefore have begun to make a significant impact on the World Wide Web. Let us understand the first how many packages does the graphical user interface supports with the applet. First is the AWT, that is Abstract Window Toolkit, and second is Swing. So how the making of graphical user interface application is actually having the flashback. The Java has launched on 23rd January 1996, and at that time it only supported character user interface application, but in 1996 Visual Basic of Microsoft was preferred for graphical user interface programming. So the Java developers were in too much hurry, that is, they developed in 7 days the graphical user interface from the operating systems. Now the components like button, text box, etc. were the platform dependent, but they did the intersection of such components from all platforms and gave a small library which contains these intersections, and it is available in AWT, that is Abstract Window Toolkit technology, but it does not have any advanced features like dialog box, etc. Now to run applet, Java needs a browser, and at that time only Internet Explorer was there of Microsoft, but Microsoft believes in monopoly. So Sun Microsystems, that is the company which is developed the Java language, it contracted with the other company known as Netscape. The Netscape which was developed JavaScript, and now the Netscape is known as Mozilla Firefox, which we all know is the renowned browser. Now these two companies have developed the technology called Swing, and the benefit is that the Swing components are produced by Java itself. Therefore now it is platform independent, as well as some additional features have also been added which were not in AWT technology. So we can say that the Swing is much more advanced as compared to AWT technology. So the applet which we can develop the applications on the other side where the standalone applications we can develop with the Java programs. So there are significant difference between standalone application as well as the applet programs. The applets are not fully featured application programs, as they are usually written to accomplish a small task or a component of a task. Since they are usually designed for use on the internet, they impose certain limitations and restrictions in their design. So what is the applet? An applet is a Java program that can be embedded into a web page. It runs inside the web browser and works at client side. An applet is embedded into an HTML page using the applet or object tag and hosted on a web server. Some of the important points which we have to consider here, that all applets are subclasses, that is either directly or indirectly, of java.applet.applet class. These applets are not standalone programs or applications. Instead, they run within either a web browser or an applet viewer. JDK provides a standard applet viewer tool called applet viewer. In general, execution of an applet does not begin at main method, and the output of the applet window is not performed by system.out.println. Rather, it is handled with various AWT methods such as drawString. The applet is a small Java program that runs on a web browser. An applet can be a fully functional Java application because it has the entire Java API at its disposal. So there are some important points and differences which are in between applet and standalone Java application, which includes the following. First, an applet is a Java class that extends the java.applet.applet class. Next, the main method is not invoked on an applet, and an applet class will not define main. Then next, the applets are designed to be embedded within an HTML page. When a user views an HTML page that contains an applet, the code for the applet is downloaded to the user's machine. A Java virtual machine is required to view an applet. The Java virtual machine can be either a plugin or of a web browser or a separate runtime environment. The Java virtual machine on the user's machine creates an instance of the applet class and invokes various methods during the applet's lifetime. The applets have strict security rules that are enforced by the web browser. The security of an applet is often referred to as the sandbox security, comparing the applet to a child playing in a sandbox with various rules that must be followed. So the other classes that the applet needs can be downloaded in a single Java archive, that is JAR file.